So now let's see how we can work around with Spherize and Twirl effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with Spherize and Twirl effect, I'm going to go around over here onto filter, and then I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example distort right here. Then I'm going to go to Spherize right here. So once I go to Spherize, you can see that this is what you have. You can change around the amount of Spherize right here, as you can see right here. You can pinch and zoom right here, and you can go for horizontal Spherize as well, as you can see, and you can pinch and zoom it out as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can also go for vertical right here and change around the amount of vertical pinch and zoom, just like this as well, and this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto a filter right here onto distort, and you can see that twirl is in effect right here. And apart from that, you can see that you can go ahead and change around the angle of the twirl, just like this as well, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And then that is how you can work around with Spherize and Twirl effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.